Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. So the requirement was to convert a PDF file, which is this one on the right side, to the editable Google Sheet. The Initially I converted the page from 1 to page 11, but then we discussed that no, you don't want that because it was a bit difficult to convert the formatting which is available in the Excel but not in Google Sheet. So yeah, that sorting that the formatting was a bit distorted, and some ingredients, some options were also not available in that. Then on highlighting that which pages are required from 29 to 59, I have also converted all the pages as per the requirement. Let me go through quickly. Like on this, we can see this is page this one. I have tried my level best to convert the and make the formatting editable as much as I can. But if yeah, there would be any leakages or any tweaks remaining, you can always let me know and then I'll fix it. So yeah, the time is there for that. Rest of it, I have formatted it as much as I can, as much resemble I could have made it. I have already made it. So this is the next page, which is this one, comments and feedback. And next, this is page number 38, which is this one. This one is for imperial measurements and this one is for metric measurements. Those are a bit different with the unit side. And then the page number 40, which is this one. So here is the page number 40, which is a bit different formatting. It took a bit while, but I pulled it out. I just pulled it off, and yes, seems good to me. But your esteemed, I can also check it thoroughly. Please let me know if I missed something or if there is any proper not proper formatting. Do let me know. Yeah, I converted the page number and I set the page name as the page numbers on the PDF as per your highlighted uh, page numbers on the chat. So yes, this is page number 57. Let me go back to 57 quickly. Here it is. It's a bit different one. Yep, I think we might need to stretch it a bit, and a little zoom will do the work. I was wondering how you are going to use it. I don't know if my like yearly based. So this will be a copy of for each month or every day. I don't know. Please let me know if you need any further assistance on this one. So I have converted this into the PDF into the Google Sheets. So looking forward for your review. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.